Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from Sterling Bank in 2025. Whether you're sending cash to a family member, paying bills, or splitting expenses with friends, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and hassle-free. Sterling Bank has updated its app with some cool new features for better security and ease, so let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Sterling Bank mobile app installed on your smartphone. If you don't have it yet, head to your App Store, search for Sterling Bank, and download it for free. Once that's done, open the app and log in using your username and password. For added security in 2025, you'll likely need to enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. It's a quick step that keeps your account safe. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Transfer or Payments icon. It's usually front and center. Tap on it, and you'll see options for different types of transfers, like to another Sterling account or to other banks. Select the one you need. Next, enter the recipient's details. This includes their account number, bank name if it's an external transfer, and the amount you want to send. Double-check everything here to avoid any mistakes. After that, hit the Review button. You'll get a summary of the transaction, including fees if any apply. Sterling Bank's 2025 updates have made fees more transparent. If everything looks good, authorize the transfer. Depending on your settings, you might need to use your PIN, fingerprint, or even facial recognition for verification. Once confirmed, you'll receive a confirmation message or email. Pro tip: always transfer money over a secure Wi-Fi network to protect your data, and keep an eye on your transaction limits. Sterling Bank might have daily caps in 2025. If you run into any issues, their customer support is top-notch and available 24/7 through the app. And there you have it. Transferring money from Sterling Bank in 2025 is straightforward and secure. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Stay savvy and see you next time.